Welcome back to our monthly report stating what happened in the market. Today we are having a conversation with Wilhelm Visser unpacking this. So, starting with President Donald Trump and the tariffs he imposed, what is the worldwide effect that this had?
Well, financial markets reacted very negatively. From the 2nd of April, when the tariffs was announced, the S&P 500 dropped about 14%. The movement in the bond market then basically forced Trump to announce a 90-day delay to allow for some negotiations surrounding tariffs. And the market immediately rebounded. I think the market movement intraday was about 10% from low to high. That's basically an annual move in a day. And from there on, markets sort of gyrated until Trump started attacking the Fed chairman, wanting him to lower rates. The market didn't like that, and then earlier this week he decided to change his stance on that and on some of the tariffs, especially on China, which sort of calmed the markets for now.
Wilhelm, why did the market react negatively to these tariffs?
Well, basically markets hate uncertainty, and the tariffs introduced a lot of uncertainty into markets, uncertainty with regards to supply chains, how companies would take the tariffs, would they take it on the nose, would they pass it on to consumers, what would the effect on consumers be, and in the end, what would the effect be on economic growth.
Bringing it back to South Africa, do we experience this level of uncertainty as well, and why do we experience it?
Yeah, most certainly we do. Our markets also reacted negatively, especially South African-based stocks. We had a bit of an own goal with the whole VAT issue and the possible problems with the GNU, but that led to the rand weakening, whereas most other currencies actually strengthened against the dollar over the past few weeks. So that sort of helped our market, especially on the back of the rising gold price. Our market did well there, but there is still that lingering uncertainty, policy uncertainty surrounding that, and then also uncertainty about the path of the GNU.
Thank you, Wilhelm, for this conversation. I think the most important message that we can take from this conversation is to stick to your long-term plan. During times of volatility and uncertainty, it's easy to panic, but history showed that market always corrects itself. See you next time.